Eric Tate here alongside my buddy Nick Licapo, and today we are talking about Nate Kranzo's The Invisible Coin.
The Invisible Coin.
This is a fun one.
This is an awesome trick.
Yeah, I like this.
Have you ever seen it before?
Let's pretend that I wasn't the guy who filmed it.
Oh, right. So here, I'll show you the trick. So first thing you need is a cup. You can examine the cup, the glass. I guess
ordinary glass.
Because we're going to make a coin penetrate that glass.
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to actually pass through. In order to do that, I also have a couple of these. These are invisible coins.
I don't believe you.
Now, if there was other people here, I would give one to you and one to somebody else.
It's got some weight in it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This
is a real invisible coin.
Oh, you dropped it, Eric.
Oh,
this stupid show. Okay. Anyway, and we also need a deck of cards. And like I mentioned, the idea is we're going to take the invisible coin. It's going to penetrate the glass. Now, the interesting thing is, go ahead and place your coin, one of the coins, right on top of the glass.
Okay.
Now, it'll become visible the second that it penetrates the glass, and it looks like that.
That is wild.
Right. So that is the first coin right there, and it is a real coin. And you can have somebody examine the glass again. Go ahead and place the other quarter on there. Boom, and take a look as I penetrate. It's going to penetrate the glass and become visible at the exact same time.
That is nuts.
Super fun.
That's a cool visual.
Fooling visual.
Yeah.
Looks great. Stupid easy to do.
Yeah.
Right? There's nothing to it.
You can smack a glass. You can do this trick.
Basically.
Yeah.
Basically. So that's the presentation that you're going to get with the invisible coin. I guess let's talk about, show them what you get, what this is all about.
Let's take a look at it. So here is the packaging for it. It's the nice P3 packaging with its magnetic closure. You've got a little download code here. So when you buy this at Penguin Magic, the instructional video will already be in your account. It's taught by Nate Kranzo in great detail. But you can also go to this website and there's a little password there. It comes, the actual product itself comes in this packaging because you have it right now hidden inside the deck of cards.
Yeah. It's how thick would you say it is? About
I'd say
7 cards, 5 cards thick?
Yeah, between 5 and 7 cards.
Like
it's
that.
not very thick.
No.
It's a custom-made gimmick that makes coins appear.
Yeah, you can have, the rest of the deck can be loose, but yes, you have to have like this little tiny block of something special going on in your deck of cards.
The cool thing about this is that basically it's self-working. It's not self-working, but like you smack the glass and the coin appears. That's really all you need to do it.
Yeah.
The reset is very, very easy.
Yeah.
There's not really a bunch of like mechanical parts that are involved because there's been other types of gimmicks like this, but usually they're like spring-loaded, shooting coins all over the place.
Yeah, that's what this is, like a low-tech, smart, intelligent version of like being able to do this like a miraculous. We were talking before. I'm like, is it the invisible coin or the appearing coin?
Yeah.
Right. So it's kind of like an appearing coin. Like it's just. Well, watch the reactions. They're amazing.
Yeah, and the other nice thing about this is that you can do it with more than quarters, because I know that has been a limitation with other versions of this type of gimmick, is that you could only do it with quarters just because of the method in which the coin was appearing. It was very specific to the coin.
Sure.
But like, let's say I wanted to do it with a different coin. Like, what if I want to do it with a penny?
Well, yeah. So do you have an invisible penny?
Actually, each and every one of these comes with an invisible penny.
Oh, look at that.
Invisible penny already inside.
Amazing. So put it in your hand.
Okay.
Right? Close your hand. Now watch.
Okay.
We'll do some magic. It is now a quarter. Miracle. You don't believe me. Look, place the quarter on top. Oh, don't smack it. Yeah. Right there. Watch. The quarter becomes visible.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
But this is the vanishing penny trick, right? So here we squeeze, we can get some magic to happen. And the quarter is changed from the...
That's pretty cool. Now, in the situation that Nick is using this, you're essentially, if I'm not giving away too much here, but you're using the gimmick to switch the coins at this point, which is
cool.
Really neat.
Yeah, it's a really the easiest switch possible with this type of stuff, because it does hold 2 coins.
Yes.
And so things that you can do, you can make 2 coins appear, or you could have the other coin in the gimmick and secretly steal it out when you want it. So it's cool.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of fun things you can do with this.
You know, it's funny. There's not a lot to say about it.
It really isn't. It makes a coin appear. It holds 2 coins. You
Yeah.
can do it with nickels, dime. Actually, you can do it with quarters, pennies.
Yeah, I would assume
dimes.
any coin would work. I mean, it'll work with the penny.
Yeah.
You know, like it'll go through.
If you don't live in the United States and you're looking to get other coins, any coin that is about the size of a quarter or smaller will work. I think
Yeah,
the only and that's even like a little iffy. Like Canadian toonies and loonies should work. I think that there is a couple of coins that are like too thick to work.
If they're too thick, it might be a thing with the gimmick.
But there's definitely coins in your area wherever you live. If you live in foreign or international areas, that you'll definitely have coins that you can do this with.
And Nate teaches a bunch of other just like fun little bits of business as well on the download. In fact, I think he teaches you a 2-coin trick.
Yep.
So after you make the 2 coins appear, you can do a quick 2-coin trick on there, and then just a couple other little fun things. It's very complete. It's a fantastic trick.
I think the only other thing to tell
And
you,
you know what?
What?
Fun to do.
It
Like,
really is.
when you get this and you watch the video, it's like you get to follow along, and it's just satisfying. It's got a nice sound,
Really
and like
is.
it just kind of like, I don't know, feels good.
Yeah. The only other thing to tell you is that this comes in Red Rider Bicycle. That is it. Now, it's not rocket science. If you really wanted to change the back design for something else, you probably could.
Yeah, if you're somebody that likes to build stuff, I can see you making this.
Yeah, but it comes in the most popular back designs, so you're going to be able to put this right into the deck that you use every day and go out and start amazing people. Nate Kranzo is the Invisible Coin. You should check it out.